Hi fluffs and furballs, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a minute, you guys. I've been busy, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I will be showing you guys how I did this look using my Juvias Place Magic palette. And before we get into the video, you guys go ahead and do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below. You guys stay tuned. So today I will be using this e.l.f. brow cream. It is very smooth and is very easy to apply. I won't be doing a tutorial. There is a video on my channel where you can see how I do my brows. I just want to show you guys this new product that I use. So you guys, if you've used it, let me know down in the comments down below. You guys, this is my first time using this highlighter from BH Cosmetics, and it was so pretty and very vibrant. You can see my mouth opening as I was applying it. I was not expecting that. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. You guys have a fluffy day.